ADA, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, and the first target we have been looking for was 75 cent, and after the first 75, I mentioned I'm looking for 82. That's why I mentioned I'm looking to see the breakout of this one, because with the breakout of this one and breakout of the 82, I'm looking for the I have been looking for the 92 cent. And I mentioned the breakout of the 92 cent is really important for me, because with the breakout of the 92, I'm looking for continuation, and we can expect the price can continue even tag all-time high. But we should know that it depends on the overall market. And at this point, we want to see whether the price of the Bitcoin can break the all-time high or not. Anyway, we have been looking for buy, the price tag 75, then we can look for the 82 cent. But the breakout of the 75 and the 82 cent at this point is really, really important for us. And we don't have anything else to discuss. And if we move to monthly chart, we're looking for 92. This is what I've been looking for after the breakout of the 92. Based on higher time frame, we're looking for 1.35. All right. And if you want to look for buy, we prefer at least we get a daily correction, or even because it can give us a better confirmation, because even based on weekly, we can expect this one. If this one turn to flat, that's why if the price consolidate here, it can give us better in terms of the technical analysis, it can give us a better structure for continuation. All right. But at this point, as I mentioned, I don't see any trade setup even based on weekly chart. We have to look for the trade based on lower time frame. And if we move to daily chart, all right, I'm looking for this one. That's mean for me, if I get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. If the price continue and drop, even we can expect the price retest the 50 cent. Okay. That's why if you want to look for buy, we have to wait for the trade setup. Simply, we cannot take the trade. Okay. And even based on daily chart, if you put this stop relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence based on MACD, even another indicator. That's why the possibility for the price and retest the 50 cent is very high. That's why if you want to look for buy, we have to look for the trade setup. Okay. For me, I'm not waiting for the price to drop to the 50 or anything else. Any opportunity for buy from here based on lower time frame, I will take it. The only thing is, whenever I'm referring to the divergence and the 50 cent, the only things I want to highlight that we have to wait for the trade setup either based on daily or lower time frame. Okay, because at this point, as long as the overall market like a Bitcoin, we see there is a continuation, the other charts will follow. All right. And that's mean for me, I'm looking for buy, but I don't see any trade setup, but I'm looking to see the breakout of the 82 and the 92 cent. And if I move the lower time frame based on forward chart, all right, technically we can look at this one, but the only question is, if even if the price sharply break this top, can we expect the divergence or not? That's why we have to, if we get an opportunity for buy with the breakout of the previous top, we should know how to manage or trade if it doesn't move in our direction. And as I mentioned, I'm looking for buy, and at this point, I'm looking at this one. Okay. Technically, at this point, similar to what we explained for the Dogecoin, if you want to look for buy from here, the only option at this point is to put our entry above here, either above the shadow or above here. And it depends on the strategy the traders they use, but we want to see the breakout as a sharp move. If the price tag we see there is no continuation, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. All right. But if the price reverses as a corrective, I'm not really interested. We should know that at this point, having entry above here is really risky because the price almost is near. That's why for me, if we see the next drop, then we can put our entry there above here or here. This is the most safest one. For sure, if the price retests this low following by divergence, any reversal will be the best. Okay. But anyway, I'm looking for buy. I don't see any trade setup, but I'm looking at this one. Okay, simply we cannot take the trade because we can expect the price drop continuously as a corrective, and even we can expect the price drop to and tag the previous low. Anyway, as I mentioned, I'm looking for buy, and with the breakout of the 82, I'm looking for the 92 cent. And the breakout of the 92 can give us a better confirmation for continuation with the expectation of all-time high. But after the breakout of the 92, I'm looking for 1.35. Then if we see the price break the 92 cent and even tag the 1.35, then we highlight or we will come up with the next resistance or the targets we can look for. But at this point, I'm looking at this one. Again, if anyone wants to look for buy, they have to wait and look for the trade setup. If not, because we can expect this one, the price retest, this one turn to flat before we see this next move. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.